In the previous tutorial, we have shown you how to install Bluetooth 5 with Nougat Android operating systems. Now, in this video, we will show you how to install apps on our Bluestack environment. Okay, for example, we can find the apps. We want to install Instagram, for example. Just type Instagram here. Okay, you can install Instagram or Instagram Lite. Just select Instagram and just select install from Google Play. We will direct it into our Google Play. Okay, so we need to have a Google account. Just click update here first. Additional updates required. Just waiting until the downloading process is complete. After the downloading is complete, then this is installing. Please wait until it's also finished here. You can see this is the loading process also. Just click install from Google Play here. Now your Bluestack emulator will open the Instagram. After that, you can click install from Google Play. Okay, connect your charger. Okay, just okay, got it. Like I said before, we need to have a Google account. So we can just click sign in here. And you can input your Google account in there. Okay, I will using our account. For example, in here, we will censor this address. After you log in, just click agree in there and getting account info. Maybe you need a verification on your mobile smartphone. If you do, just click yes, it was me on your smartphone. It just I'm don't want to using basic device backup and click more in there. Just click accept. Now you can see we successfully open the Google Play Store. Just click install to start install the Instagram account. Still pending and wait until the installation is finished. Wow, using Bluestack is very smooth rather than using Nox Player. This is not endorsed, but actually we doing the same to install Nox Player and then try to install Bluestacks. And the Bluestack 5, especially in the Nougat, it's giving much smooth, while the Nox after the install process they have a crash. The installing Instagram is almost complete. We can open our Instagram account after that. If the installing is successfully, we need to cut or to end this video after we successfully install the Instagram. Now you can see we successfully installed the Instagram on Windows, especially like using Android device. Just click open. After we successfully click open in here, we will end this video. Okay, we will close this and try to open the Instagram. Okay, still opening. In the next video, we will show you. Okay, play in full screen F1. Click icon on sidebar. Oh, this is for play the full screen. Just click continue. Now you can see we successfully install the Instagram apps on Windows using Bluestack environment. And also, you actually can close this Bluestack assistant. Okay, in here you need to log in on your Instagram account. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.